Kia Seltos.
Kia, movement that inspires.
Please welcome Chief Designer, Kia Design Center America, Kurt Call.
Thanks, everyone. When we began designing this all-new Seltos, the goal was simple: elevate everything. We looked to the Telluride as the benchmark and asked how we could bring that same sense of confidence and substance into a subcompact SUV. So on the all-new Seltos, you'll immediately notice a stronger, more planted stance. Note the squared-off shoulders, more defined roofline, and clean architectural surfaces. It feels tougher, more capable, and more premium. We also grew the vehicle in meaningful ways. Seltos is now larger and wider overall, with nearly 2.5 inches added to the wheelbase. That extra footprint contributes to a bolder presence, while also enabling us to make the interior more spacious and comfortable. You'll also see details that typically live a segment above, like available flush door handles that automatically deploy on approach, and features like the available panoramic sunroof, which brings more light and openness into the cabin, reinforcing that upscale feel. Our trims also get an upgrade. In addition to our core trims, we will offer a Seltos X-Line variant with unique front and rear bumpers and grille, gloss black trim elements, and front and rear LED lighting. Whichever trim they choose, customers will open the door to an interior that is more premium, more spacious, and more intuitive. We've increased legroom, headroom, and overall cargo capacity, so passengers simply have more space to stretch out. The dashboard layout is another Telluride inspiration. It's wider, more horizontal, and more driver-focused. Front and center is a nearly 30-inch total combined panoramic display, merging digital and infotainment screens. It all comes together into a Seltos that feels compact in size, but unmistakably grown up. And the same concept applies to the rest of our product story. So for more on that, please welcome Orth Hedrick.
Thanks, Kurt. If there's one common theme to our reveals today, is that Kia entry vehicles are anything but basic. For younger buyers stepping into their first SUV, or empty nesters downsizing without wanting to downscale, Seltos offers an approachable way into the same type of experience customers love about Telluride. There's well-appointed seating for all, including available power memory driver's seat and available ventilated front seats, as well as a rear seat that can comfortably fit adults, complete with rear air vents and also charging ports. That sense of comfort and practicality carries through the entire cabin, including to a versatile cargo floor. So whether it's weekday commute or evening getaway, weekends, Seltos is ready. And it's loaded with Kia signature technologies to help you along the way. From features like standard smart key and push button start to our latest connected car navigation cockpit system, which supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. And through the Kia Connect store, customers can access entertainment and data services for streaming YouTube and Netflix, as well as a growing selection of display themes. In fact, we're excited to celebrate our partnership with FIFA and help our owners feel even closer to World Cup action by introducing 17 different FIFA-themed displays available for download now. The Seltos is the only vehicle in its class to offer 3 distinct powertrain choices, each of which brings an unexpected level of performance and power to the segment. There's an efficient 2-liter standard engine, a turbocharged 1.6-liter engine, and soon a new hybrid model, which we'll share more information about closer to its on-sale date later this year. Now, whichever powertrain you choose, the Seltos offers both front-wheel drive and also all-wheel drive configurations, including our first ever electrified all-wheel drive system. Now, for drivers who venture beyond the pavement, the Seltos is available with the same multi-mode all-wheel drive system offered in the Telluride, and ground clearance has increased to more than 8 inches, so you can put that capability to good use. Topping off this well-rounded SUV is an expanded suite of advanced driver assistance features, including new to Seltos features like hands-on detection and available parking and collision avoidance features designed to add confidence to a variety of everyday situations. More choice, more capability, and more value than customers expect at this size. The result is a compact SUV that feels anything but entry level. This kind of thoughtful, customer-focused product strategy doesn't just happen by accident. It's the result of clear direction and strong leadership across the organization. And on that note, please join me in welcoming the President and CEO of Kia North America and Kia America, Sean Yoon, for a few closing remarks.
Thank you for joining us this morning. Today, you will see how our newest vehicles continue to raise the bar in design, technology, and everyday capability across the Kia lineup. Further evidence that Kia products are not just improving, they are leading. But it is not just about building better products. It is about meeting real customer needs in real time. One of the clearest shifts we see today is a growing demand for hybrid. Thanks to our investment in flexible manufacturing and local production, Kia is uniquely positioned to respond quickly to such changes in the market. We are expanding hybrid variants across the SUV lineup, increasing production with every new model launch, and building toward a full lineup of SUV hybrid by the end of the year. That includes production of the all-new Telluride Turbo Hybrid at Kia Georgia. The vehicle that rolled off the line on the 24th of February marked 3 milestones at once. Our first hybrid Telluride, and the first hybrid vehicle assembled in the state of Georgia, and the 5 millionth vehicle produced at the plant. And soon, Sportage hybrid production will begin at another plant in Georgia, Hyundai Motor Group Meta Plant America, in late May, bringing even more electrified options closer to US customers. At Kia, everything we do is guided by our brand philosophy, movement that inspires. The belief that mobility should help serve our communities. That thinking inspires our global campaign, Inspiration Connects Us All, which focuses on bringing people together and supporting communities around the world. Through our partnership with the FIFA World Cup and the program like the Expanded Official Matchball Carrier Initiative and the Kia OMBC Cup, we are creating opportunities for the next generation, both on and off the field. Because for us, progress is not only about mobility. It is about helping people move forward. Thank you again for being here, and thank you for your continued interest in Kia. Thank you so much.